Alright, so I was able to remove some of the parts. I removed this exhaust cover. There's only 2 screws here. I removed this gas can, the gas cylinder, where you put all the gas, and it came with all these pieces right here. And see how gross it is. I removed this air filter, and look how, I didn't know that the oil is supposed to go in this. Look. So I need to clean all this. So my question for you guys is like, what's the best product to clean all this greasy stuff? There's like stuff called green something. Maybe I'll use a green, I can't remember the name. If you know, please drop me a comment there. So now it looks like that. So I still need to clean this and get it all cleaned up before I can take it in my garage and start working on it slowly. So today I'm gonna stop there, and I will show you guys in the next part, cleaning up the rest of this. So if you're into stuff like this, please subscribe and follow up as we fix this lawnmower and donate it to some family that need it. All right, so I'm gonna be using this Simple Green Max solution to clean it up. I think they should be able to remove all this gunk and stuff and get this looking good. And I'm gonna use a sprayer, just a little bit, I think. And I don't want to put any water in here. See, in here, I have to cover this. I just want to clean this out here, so I need to put something in here and in here. Or does it really matter? All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna just spray some of this here. Try as much as hard, so don't spray the inside. Then I'll leave it there for a second to get it to soak in. I'll do this same thing with this. I put this here. Oops. Same thing. I spray over there. All right, so that's sprayed. I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of minutes so it soaks in and breaks down all the gunk. And then I'll come back and clean it up and I'll show you guys. All right, so now I'm gonna try to clean up these parts that I already took apart. Already cleaned up these ones here. You can see them. Now it's not as gross and stuff, so I'm letting it dry right there. And now I need to clean up some of these, like and try to be as careful not to put water through into this can. So hopefully I can do that. So hopefully this Simple Green will get this. I'm using one of these toothbrush. Now I'm just cleaning all this gunk with the brush. Just making sure I get into all those clavicles, those little tight spaces, and begin to just spray it off with the Simple Green as I clean it up. And especially on those like little tight corners and tight areas there, and right there I'm showing you guys. But the toothbrush really did a good job to like get all that gunk out, and I was able to like get everything removed really well. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me make sure. And then I wanted to show you guys a close-up of how hard and how thick this gunk was. And so I had to like push the brush really deep and spray more as they get loose, and finally I was able to get everything out. It's like super thick grease. and gunks and stuff. Damn, look at this. It's gross. So my little toothbrush was getting a little gunked up, so I had to like clean it up a little bit as I was continuing cleaning this gas cylinder for the gas for this lawnmower. I think it's coming off, this grease stuff. Alright, so I just cleaned it up and it looks really nice. I don't see those gunk are gone. See, now I just want to use this microfiber to clean up all this mess. Let's make sure there's nothing still sticking here. But I think I cleaned up really well. The inside still looks gross. If you're a mechanic and clean this type of stuff, can you let me know which product I should use to clean in there? So I'm trying to figure that out. Looks good. So I just need to get a product to clean the interior of this. So if there's any, I know this thing might come off. So maybe if I just remove this piece, if I remove this piece here, I might be able to drain everything out here. I do not know what I'm doing, but I'll figure this out. But I think I can remove this, but I don't want to because it's got this cell right here. And you don't want to mess up that. I just needed to know how to clean the inside here. Drop me a comment, let me know what product I should go buy or what do I need to use to clean in there. I don't want to put water. Maybe it's just water, I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna bring the actual engine now and then clean that. Alright, so now we're gonna clean this engine. Okay, I already sprayed it, but I'm gonna spray it again. So I'm gonna just clean the outside here, and then when I take it apart, I'll clean the rest of it. But I just need to at least get all this gunk out. Look at this side. It's gross. This is where you take this bolt, this thing here, and you remove the oil. So we'll do that later. I think I'm gonna get my pressure washer and just blast this thing at once to see if that get all that stuff out. I don't know if I'll destroy anything, but I'm starting to think that would be the best option. I'll show you guys after I do that. All right, so I'm gonna pressure wash this engine. Put it like right here. I think like some of that stuff is not coming off. It needs power. I think this is what I needed. Nice. I think it looks good. Looks clean. I think I got all the junk. But I'm pretty sure if I remove all these parts, I'm gonna start seeing some other things too. But one more part. looking good. All right, so I'm gonna let it dry, then we can go from there.